I am Dr. Sumant Kulshrestha on behalf of Indian Kayaking and Canoeing Association. I have a responsibility in the Khelo India Youth Game as a technical official, and first of all I would like to congratulate the entire paddling community that Khelo India Youth Games have inducted kayaking and canoeing for the first time.
मेरा नाम अजीत सिंह शेखावत है, मैं दिल्ली से हूँ। खेलो इंडिया में मैं एज ए टेक्निकल ऑफिशियल आया हूँ सलालम में। कैनो सलालम पहली बार ऐड हुआ है खेलो इंडिया यूथ गेम्स में।
I believe with the initiative like this, we would be able to actually create a great force of athletes in the long-term athlete development, because in the discipline of kayaking and canoeing, it is very essential that we must have players for minimum of 10 years to whom they can actually prepare themselves for being an Olympic level or an world level athletes.
जो कैनो सलालम इवेंट है ये ओलंपिक इवेंट है और ओलंपिक में तकरीबन 4 इवेंट्स होते हैं जिसके अंदर मेडल हम इंडिया के लिए ले सकते हैं। तो बहुत अच्छी बात है कि पहली बार ये कोर्स मध्य प्रदेश में इतना बढ़िया कोर्स जो कैनो सलालम का इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर बन सकता है वो बनाया गया।
I appreciate the efforts of Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Directorate of Sports and Youth Welfare Madhya Pradesh, and especially thanks to Honorable Sports Minister Mr. Anurag Thakur and the Honorable Sports Minister from Madhya Pradesh, Maharaj Yashodhara Sindhya Madam, that she has brought this game to Madhya Pradesh, and we can see that there have been wonderful arrangements for all the athletes and the technical officials.